Hi students, let's look at this question here, which is on vectors given by asked by one of my students. I believe this is one of the school assignments. So the position vectors of point A, B, and C with respect to the origin has these common notations here. It's given that AC is K A minus 3B. State the value of K at which A, B, C are collinear. Okay, great. So let's say we can do this proficiently. I think if they're collinear, what we can do is actually just put AB is parallel to AC. Not just this, right? So you could also be like essentially with their parallel, we could just write AB is equals to KAC or so on, right? Any 2 points. But what you need to understand is this, because if they are collinear, you could see that by stating, so this A minus B, okay, what is A minus B? A minus B is essentially B to A, right? So B to A. So in other words, right, this, if we were to write this as KBA as such, this has to be A minus B. And if you compare, you can see straight away that K is actually 3. Okay, so that is the case there. So K has to be 3. So hence, just state the value. Okay, they are collinear, meaning they could be written as scalar multiple of the other vector. Okay, depending on which direction they are at. So that's that. Given using the value of K found in 1, and we are given the modulus A is 2 and A dot B is 3, find a length projection of OC on OA. Okay, great. So OC on OA. OC is here on OA. This is C, this is O. So when you just project it downwards here, this is A. Alright, so this is C. So it shouldn't be an issue if we talk about these two vectors here, this vector and this vector. The angle subtended between them would be here, right? So the length of projection of OC on OA would then be just dot them, right? So just C dot A, unit vector. You do not unit vector the hypo, unit vector the adjacent side. Okay, so that's what we'll get. Then once we are done with that, we have C dot A over modulus A. Then we know that modulus A is given by 2. C is actually from the first part. Okay, we know that CAC is given by 3A minus B, right? But this is AC, right? This is AC. So we need to find out what is the C. So this case here, from the first part, what I need to do is I need to get rid of this C here. Okay, that's the whole idea there. So I know that from 1, AC is given by 3A minus 3B. This is C minus A, which is 3A minus 3B. So C is given by 4A minus 3B. Great. So once this is done, I'm just gonna, this will just imply that C is equals to 4. Okay, so just follow these steps here. Then once done, just put 4A minus 3B dot with A outside, then dot them. Shouldn't be an issue. So 4A dot A minus 3B dot A. So B dot A is commutative in nature, it's also A dot B, so this will be 3. That will be 4 modulus A. A dot A is mod A square minus 3 A dot B. Okay, I'm just going to write this down. Then we know that this guy is mod A is actually 2. A dot B is actually 3. So just replace all the values in. Supposed to get the answer there. Okay, so divided by that. 4 times 4, 16 minus 9. That would be 7, right? So 7 over 2. Okay. So that's how you do this question here proficiently. If you have any questions at all, please let us know and I'll see you in the next question.